Alright, so bought the socket set and the impact wrench and brought everything upstairs.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Here we go again.
Oh my god, you got impact sockets too?
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. It was only 130 bucks.
Oh, with the drill? This, oh, so it's 100 for 30 bucks total?
Yeah.
That one's a good one too.
I brought the breaker bar. I think we need someone to step on it. Or should we just, because like it'll spin, right? Oh, actually, yeah.
I think if you just hit it like quick, like.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh my god, we did it!
I told you it would fucking impact the strat.
We finally figured out how to put the lowering springs on. I guess this is the comparison. OEM and the RSRs. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Same height. I mean, the RSRs were a bit easier to compress than the OEM. I don't know, just the way they're designed, you'd think that these would be a lot more difficult, but those do not move. Like, we compressed the shit out of them. I mean, hopefully when we take this off, it'll be the same as that. We won't have any problems, but... How you done that? Fucking sprinkles? Oh, yeah. Big piece of fucking wood.
Want to follow my speed back?
Oh, that's a little bit better.
We'll drive it off the wood first.
Yeah, drive it off. One side's sitting higher than the other one. I can fit 3 fingers on this one.
Yeah, because that's higher.
Yeah, I can do 2 fingers.
Oh, I did.
Oh yeah, that's definitely smaller. That's definitely smaller than the 4x1.
Yeah, definitely.
Got my keys.
Set, I like it.
Tractors are like fucking well.
I know it's really bad.
It looks so much better than what it did. Like,
Yeah,
can I fit my fist in it?
Once you lower the back, it'll be even better.
Yeah,
I can't.
the back is too high right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like to build.
What?
Bro, what you done to it?
Bro,
It's just what you done to it.
fuck all. Nothing actual mechanical.
That
Just
Soupy's also sick.
yeah, bro. I see it all the time still. I got nothing really like. I got an exhaust and aesthetics.
What's in this car?
Now I just want to slam it. Fuck.
It's already good enough.
Looks good.
No fun in it. I want to see it settle.
You think I'm
Great fit markers. Well, the 20 is even better. Ask me if I know what fitment is.
Do you know what fitment is?
Yeah, 15 years of Mr. Lube.
Ha! Got him.
I'm gonna drive it forward.
Yeah, you're right. It's like an inch.
That's pretty big.
Yeah.
Fucking nail brad.
Only one broken bolt. That's not bad. Like
Yeah,
usually,
that's not
bro,
even bad.
they can tell you.
It's not bad.
I
What,
think
a broken like
bolt for every single
bolt
time.
where?
Bolt to everybody's car.
Can't drive.
So much lower.
Can't drive away because it's broken.
Wait, is it gonna run?
No. Not sure.
Oh yeah. Thank you. Thank you. My 15 years at Master Kid. Who do I know him for?
Mr. Lube.
Mr. Lube. Taught me to never rush the mechanic.
So this has to point towards the inside of the whip.
So
like
point,
this.
Point it. Yes.
This
like
has to
that.
go on the
Yeah,
inside. And this has to be
Facing this way.
like
this. Literally.
parallel to the gap. Dude, I'm
Alright.
so close.
Update, strut tower, rear one is not aligned perfectly, but we're really close.
The rear has gone like 30 times faster than the front. We also have John and the Hefe.
And they brought a bunch of power
They
tools.
brought a bunch of shit. They brought a $400 like torque gun. and takes everything off in a sec. Like all the problems that we were having with the top of the strut tower, gone with that. What's good?
Stef,
Yeah.
pass me that red.
I'm actually really enjoying spending the whole day down here. It's not
Yeah,
that bad. Imagine we didn't have an indoor space. Fuck.
Wait, I can just take a picture. Watching the video, I'm just bashing the fucking bolted.
Okay.
Oh shit. Look at that.
That's nice.
Yeah, looks good. Oh, look at that, yo. This guy's finally low.
The front is higher though.
Yeah, it's a little higher. I think it says this big ass battery in the back, eh?
Yeah. Why are you making the one that's already lower? The lower is already low.
Oh my god. Oh, this guy's finally low.
Oh
How do you
my
feel?
God.
How do you feel?
I feel great. It's not that low. Like I'm not low, but I'm lower. For winter driving,
When you're driving, that's perfect.
dude.
I think
Yours?
Yeah, mine's
Oh, yeah.
perfect.
Here, let's take a tour of John's car. You know, low life. This guy really wanted to be low, and you know his car looks sick. Fucking rate it. He got Godspeeds, which you know.
What?
He got Godspeeds, but it's really good height. The back, in the front. It was a bit lower. Within a week.
You guys are in the front.
Oh, fuck. Oh, GG. Yo, you need some more zip ties.
Yeah, but wait.
Oh,
Oh,
fuck.
the wheel well. Show him the wheel.
No. If I tuck this back here, nothing happened.
Also, it's snowing like crazy outside, and I don't know how these tires are gonna hold up.
Oh, GG. Firestones.
These guys got racing.
Firestones and it's fucking snowing.
Yeah.
That's GG.
Gotti did yours.
Throwing the last pieces back in.
Of course, just buttoning her up.
Wait, I think I got some more on stuff.
All my headliner is so dirty.
Alright, boys, we're fucking done. What do you guys say about this rear fitment?
Now rear fitment's mint. Though in my car the rear always sits a bit lower than the front. So I was kind of expecting it to be a little bit off. That's crazy. I didn't think this day would ever come. Oh my god, it was like just yesterday we were lowering your CRV, but I didn't even lower it with you. I just saw the coils.
Yeah, Stef, wheels.
I know.
These aren't that bad.
Yeah,
These are nice,
these
though.
look pretty good. I like it. Alright, maiden voyage after day 2 because I snapped a bolt, but we picked one up and we replaced it.
Hopefully that was
And
it.
we're already hearing noises. Oh, there's a cop.
Yeah, I could feel it. It's like right there.
Alright.
Feels.
Full of Yui.
Yeah. I haven't seen one video of
Oh, I fucking.
Did you get it on camera?
I fucking missed it.
See, I told you. I fucking
trying to
told
get
you.
an angle.
As soon as you put the camera away, we fucking get it. All right.
Shit.
I'm not putting it back in to show you, cause fuck.
We went on a test drive and it was making a clunking noise in the back. And it wasn't the top hat being not tightened, it was because we didn't tighten this
The spindle nut.
the spindle nut. So make sure you tighten the spindle nut. Luckily we could get to it with a wrench or 2 wrenches. So
I'll just shake it.
alright, it is no longer making a clunking noise. We are good.
Oh, did you record the clunking noise when we were driving?
I didn't. Well, I probably can't hear it, but basically this spindle nut was just bouncing up and down. So
I did reassemble the strut and spring by myself, and I was going off not a lot of sleep, and I kind of just, I guess I rushed it a bit. Moral of the story, no matter how tired you are, don't rush it when you're working on your suspension.
no major clunking noises. That's good.
We're good. Oh, yo, it feels way more planted.